Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of on Bullion. Today I want to do a follow-up to the Let's Keep Talking Bullion video I did. During a recent live stream, somebody had asked about posting an image. So I wanted to do a quick little video and just show you how to do that. I think images are going to be pretty important in this forum, especially for the buy, sell, trade areas. So let's go ahead and take a look at how you might do that. So I'm going to come down here, I'm going to go to the trade section, and there's already a topic, this test out here. But I'm going to put a new topic out there. We're just going to call it test number 2. And then down here, we'll put in an image. Now there's two different ways we can do this. The first way is if you want to link to an image. So this image would already have to exist out on the internet. It would have to be on a server somewhere where you know the path to get to it. And this would be good for, like, if you see something on a website or on Google. Maybe you're looking for a particular coin or a particular scale to weigh your coins or something, and you want to show somebody what it looks like. So you need to be careful about copyright laws. You can't just go out there and steal somebody's picture, but you certainly can link to it. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. If we click the little insert image picture here, it puts the brackets in there for you, and you need to put the link between the brackets. So let's go out to Google. Let's find a picture. I'll search for silver stacking. Let's go to images. So here's one of some nice silver. So if I click on it and come down here and right click on it and say copy image location, and I come back to my post and I paste that information in between there. I just did a Control V to paste. That should put that GIF, that image, into my post. So let's go ahead and do a preview. You can see here now, this image is there. Now, of course, if somebody moves this location out of where it's currently at on whatever server it came off from, this link will be broken. But that's a good way. If you find something out on the internet and you want to post a picture of it here, that's one way to do it. Now let's go back. I'm just going to go ahead and submit this. So now it's part of our post. Now I'm going to do a reply to it. I want to go to the full editor because that's where you get all your menu items. So if I go to the full editor, it's really the same thing except I just get all these items as well. And now we can submit one as an attachment. So with an attachment you can add a file. I've authorized up to 5 megs for a file size. And 5 megs is pretty big. You should be able to get most of your images in underneath that. But just be aware if it's a huge image, it's not going to work because we do have a limit. So we're going to go ahead and add a file. So tblive.jpg, click open. Alright, so we've got the file in there. There's a file name, there's a file size, status is checkbox. You need to put something inside your text here. So let's just say please see attachment. And go ahead and submit it. And there it is. So there's the attachment that I submitted. So here's one that came off of the internet, and here's one that came that I put up there as an attachment. So I would imagine that most of you are going to want to do an attachment. You're going to have a picture that you have. So that's all you have to do is just come down to the attachment tab and put it in there. So again, if we go to the full editor and preview, you get a tab down here for attachment, and just click to add the file. So it's pretty straightforward. If you want to put an image in, it's very easy to do. If we go back to the board index, I like to click on that quick link back there. Go back down the trades. There's a test 2 I put in there, and there's the 2 images I inserted. Pretty cool. As long as I got a quick video going here, one other thing I'd like to show you is the quick links. So you should normally see a red icon if there's been a new update, a new post that you haven't seen yet. But one of the things I like to do on all the forums I visit is just do this quick links and go to new posts, because then you'll take a look at anything that you haven't seen before. So if I click on that, you can see just these 2 tests that we've done are new for me. back to board index. You can also do unread posts, unanswered topics, active topics. You can search, look at different members. Anyway, I hope that helps. I wanted to show you how easy it was to insert an image. And I did have to increase the image size before it was set to 256 kilobytes by default, and that's obviously too small. You're not going to get too many things in there at 256 kilobytes. But anyway, that's it for now. I hope it encourages you to use the forum and go out there and get some things posted and give us some content that we can start following. Take care for now, and remember, let's keep talking Bullion.